Hello, everybody. Welcome to this exciting new adventure. Today, we're taking a journey into the fascinating world of the internet, a place full of endless possibilities and opportunities. Don't worry if you're new to all this. Everyone starts somewhere, and it's perfectly okay to feel a bit overwhelmed at first. We're going to learn together, step by step, and make this a fun and enjoyable experience. It's like opening a door to a whole new world of information, entertainment, and endless fun. Imagine having a library, a movie theater, and a playground all in one place. Are you ready to explore? There's so much to see and do, and it's easier than you think. With a little guidance, you'll be navigating the web like a pro in no time. We'll be using something called a search engine to find all sorts of interesting things online. It's like having a personal assistant who knows everything. Think of it as your own personal guide to the internet, helping you find exactly what you're looking for. No more feeling lost or confused. You'll have all the tools you need to find your way. We'll start with the basics so you can build a strong foundation. Soon you'll be searching like a pro, finding exactly what you need with ease. Let's get started on this adventure together. There's so much to discover and learn. Are you ready for an amazing journey? Let's go. Together we'll unlock the full potential of the World Wide Web. Imagine a library, but instead of books, it has everything you can imagine. That's what a search engine is. It helps you find information on the internet. You might have heard of some popular ones like Google or Bing. They're like the friendly librarians of the internet. When you have a question or want to find something online, you can ask the search engine. Just type in what you're looking for. It will then show you a list of websites that have the information you need. It's like magic. Now, let's try a simple search together. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, open your internet browser. This is the program you use to access the internet. It might be called Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. See that bar at the top of the screen? That's the address bar, but we can also use it for searching. Let's say you want to find out about gardening. Just type gardening tips in the address bar and press enter. That's it. You've just done your first search. See how easy that was? Now you're on your way to becoming an internet expert. Wow. Look at all those results. It can be quite overwhelming at first glance, can it? The search engine has found so many websites about gardening tips, but don't be overwhelmed. There's a method to the madness. Let's learn how to understand what we're seeing. This will help you find the information you need more efficiently. At the top of the page, you might see some ads. These are usually marked with a small label that says ad or sponsored. These are like commercials on the internet. Companies pay to have their websites shown first in the search results. This is a way for them to attract more visitors to their sites. But below the ads are the organic results. These are the websites that the search engine believes are the most relevant to your query. These are websites the search engine thinks are the most helpful and relevant to your search. They are ranked based on various factors like content quality and user engagement. Each result usually shows a website title, a short description, and a link to the page. This information helps you decide which link to click on. Click on the link to visit the website. If the site doesn't have what you're looking for, don't worry. You can always use the back button to return to the results page. This way, you can try another link until you find the perfect information. The magic of keywords. Keywords are the secret to finding exactly what you want online. They're the words you type into the search bar to tell the search engine what to look for. For example, instead of just searching for recipes, you could try healthy cookie recipes or easy dinner recipes for two. The more specific your keywords, the better your results will be. Think of it like telling a librarian exactly what kind of book you're looking for. Don't be afraid to experiment with different keywords until you find what you're looking for. Pictures and videos. Did you know you can also search for images and videos? It's true. Most search engines have special sections just for multimedia. Click on the Images or Videos tab near the top of the page. Then type in your keywords just like you did before. You'll see a whole grid of pictures or a list of videos related to your search. It's a great way to find visual inspiration or learn something new. From beautiful flowers to delicious food, the possibilities are endless. Keeping track of your online treasures. Have you ever found a website you absolutely loved and wanted to revisit later? Of course you have. We all have. Well, there's an easy way to keep track of your favorite online discoveries: bookmarks. Almost every web browser has a bookmarking feature. It's like saving a page to your favorites list. You can usually find a little star or heart icon near the address bar. Click on it to bookmark the current page. Then, the next time you want to visit that website, you can simply open your bookmarks and click on the save link. Staying safe in the digital world. Now that you're becoming a savvy internet searcher, it's important to stay safe online. The internet is a vast and wonderful place, but it also has its share of risks and dangers. Just like in the real world, there are a few things to keep in mind. Being cautious and aware of your surroundings can help you avoid potential threats. First, be careful about the information you share online. Personal information can be used against you if it falls into the wrong hands. Don't give out your personal details like your address or phone number on public websites. Even seemingly harmless information can be pieced together to create a complete profile of you. Second, be wary of suspicious emails or links. Cybercriminals often use phishing tactics to trick you into revealing sensitive information. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Offers of free gifts or easy money are often scams designed to steal your information. Don't click on links from unknown senders or websites you don't recognize. Always verify the source before taking any action. Remember, if you ever feel uncomfortable or unsafe online, you can always talk to a trusted friend, family member, or computer expert for help. They can provide guidance and support to ensure you stay safe in the digital world. Additionally, consider using antivirus software and keeping your privacy settings updated. These tools can add an extra layer of protection against online threats. Educating yourself about the latest online safety practices can also be beneficial. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to navigate the digital landscape securely. You're a searcher now. Congratulations, my friend. You've taken your first steps into the world of internet searching. You've learned how to use a search engine, find information, and stay safe online. Now it's time to put your new skills into practice. Don't be afraid to explore. The internet is a vast and fascinating place with something for everyone. Remember, the more you search, the easier it becomes. You're on your way to becoming a true internet whiz. Keep exploring, keep learning. This is just the beginning of your internet adventure and journey. There's so much more to discover and learn every day. Don't be afraid to try new things, ask questions, and keep exploring. The internet is constantly evolving and growing rapidly. There are always new websites, tools, and information to discover. So keep your curiosity alive, stay informed, and most importantly, have fun. Happy searching.